U.S. military no longer using floppy disks to control nuke launches. U.S. military is no longer using floppy disks to receive nuclear launch orders from the president. The U.S. Strategic Command has announced that it has replaced the drives with a highly secure solid-state digital storage solution, as per a U.S. military officer. Floppy disks were being used as they lack IP address and can't be hacked. The official added. Google spinoff Wing starts drone deliveries for customers. In a Alphabet-owned drone delivery startup, Wing has begun making its first commercial deliveries in the U.S. The Google X spinoff had become the first drone delivery entity in the U.S. to get the go-ahead to do so. Earlier this year, Wing is working with FedEx Express and American pharmacy store chain Walgreens on its pilot project. India plans to build world's biggest facial recognition system. The Indian government is aiming to build the world's largest facial recognition system. As per a 172-page document released by the National Crime Records Bureau, the aim is to create a centralized database of faces to help catch criminals. Companies interested to build the system had till October 11 to submit their proposal. The document revealed $35 billion case against Facebook over face data misuse to go to trial. Facebook was denied its request for a hearing on a $35 billion class action lawsuit over alleged facial recognition data misuse that could have potentially stopped it from going to trial. The suit alleged that Illinois citizens neither consented to have their uploaded photos scanned with facial recognition nor were informed of the same. Facebook could face penalties for 70 lakh people. U.S. lawmakers criticize Apple for censoring HK police tracking app as lawmakers, in a letter addressed to Apple CEO Tim Cook, have criticized the technology giant, saying they have strong concern related to Apple's decision to remove HK Map Live app from App Store. The app let pro-democracy protesters in Hong Kong track the location of local law enforcement. Cook had defended the removal, saying that it facilitated illegal activities.